fellow owners. It's I, once again, Reggie Green, on the prowl here for Birds of the Valley. We're here in sunny Los Angeles, in glorious Griffith Park, looking for the canny kestrel. Happy bird watching, friend.
I got your bird right here.
Jinkies! Someone woke up on the wrong side of the roost this morning. We seek the glorious aggrandizement of the canny kestrel as he swoops down upon the tiny field mouse, or the chippy chipmunk, or the fuzzy Mr. Squirrel, extending his large wings to drop upon all of his friends, dropping upon it.
And bark! Oh, hey, sorry, bro, man. Hey, it's my old buddy, my fine-feathered friend. You got time for a bark fight?
Bark? Who throws bark in a forest, really?
Who watches birds in a soup?
Obviously I do. I've done so since I was a tyke.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Mommy didn't hug you? You need a hug? I'm gonna give you a hug.
I love my mommy. Oh, no, get off me! Oh, get away, you odious man.
Hey, would you mind? I'm drinking here.
Hey, thirsty bird!
I'm trying to record my birding show here.
Come on, angry bird, line up!
Ah, who throws pieces of bark? Honestly, Americans!
I'm thirsty, bird.
Well, Barney, it's time for us to go. Well, you two, well, friends, it looks like your faithful and erstwhile ornithologist will be back next week, so tune in next week. Oh, Barney, stop it. I'm going to tell your mother.
Come back, my little chickadee! Come back! Come back, my little chickadee!
So tune in next week, friends. Oh, just tune in. Oh,
Oh, hey, that's a cliff.
Oh, ouch! Bird brain!
Swig.
I really hate those guys.
Hey, would you mind? I'm drinking here.